Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a series of brain boosting activities and this is part 5. And today we focus on brain breaks. A brain break is just what it sounds like, a break from whatever the kids are focusing on. Brain breaks are quick, structured breaks using physical movement, mindfulness exercises, or sensory activities. It is a strategy used to improve attention and motivation in learning situations. It is used like fun breaks that stimulates the brain, activate the vestibular system, and sensory integration. It's great for those moments when kids are restless, distracted, or disinterested. So here I've created some fun, colorful looking brain break activities for my son. The idea is that the movement doesn't exceed 5 minutes, enough time to get the brain ready to go back to work. The kids so often need to move around, and anytime we would see them getting restless, we would just whip out a few of these, let them get the wriggles out, and then get on with what we were doing. The key is the type of brain breaks you give and how they are carried out. There could be a lot of variations to these brain breaks. There could be physical activities like this. You could even add yoga poses, or even you could do a 30-second dance party as well. As adults, we tend to expect way more focus time chunks in a day than kids are able to do. We often think that if we give them a break every time they ask, they'll be constantly taking breaks, and we don't want that. But after these brain breaks, I think we would be really happy that this becomes a habit. With brain breaks, kids can recharge their energy, find their inner peace, or simply have fun for a moment. Just a quick 5 to 10 minute break goes a long way. These type of activities stimulate attention capacity and foster motivation and physical activities among many others. And this is another way how we do our brain breaks. This is very simple to make, yet it is very effective. Playing with dice is always fun for kids. So I have prepared this chart for him. All he had to do is throw the dice, see the number, and select the option that he would like to do. He loved the fact that he had an option to select what he wanted to do. Giving kids choices helps them feel like they have some power and control over what they do. Lots of little and big brain breaks throughout the day lead far better productivity, focused participation, and self-esteem in kids. Mental health and well-being should never be minimized and should be placed in a higher regard, especially with our kids who are learning more about themselves and the world around them. Performing various forms of brain breaks can help kids beyond recharging and getting back to work. Research highlights its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. It increases productivity, develops creativity, and social skills. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.